So it's been a little while since we've done one of these. So you see the desk. I guess it's unboxing time. All right. So let's get rid of this. Oh. From the good people at Audio Technica. Okay, so if you know anything about me or watch this channel on the regular, then you know I have a thing for portable turntables. See? Here's one. Here's one. There's one. The one that started it all. A few months ago, I ended up buying one of these Crosley Revolutions. As you can see, it's a knockoff of today's subject, the Sound Burger. Now I can trace back my fascination with this machine all the way back to when I was 15 and I watched an MTV interview with King Britt where he showed off his Sound Burger, and I thought it was the coolest portable I'd ever seen. Unfortunately, at that time, and even up until a few months ago, it was impossible to get one at a decent price. Hence why, forever, I had this Fisher-Price turntable. Eventually, I found one of these crappy Crosley ones. I wanted just something super compact to go digging with. The thing about using the reloop spin or the PTO1 is that they're relatively bulky. It's not the best for just taking it on the go for a quick dig. But the clamshell design on these old style ones worked well for that. Unfortunately, if you do own a Crosley, then you know that their shit is actually what it is. It's shit. It's not very well put together. The sound is already crackly, and granted, this is one that's out of production. Audio Technica re-released the Sound Burger, which is the OG of portable clamshell turntables. Let's take a deeper look.
Brian Fresh